Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man, and this is your 5-minute super update for Bitcoin for today. So guys, we have a lot of things to talk about. Let's go. So here is the big picture for Bitcoin, and we are on the daily time frame for the starting. And guys, you see here this parallel channel to the upside, and we are for the moment on the middle line. We are fighting with the middle line. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. And first of all, what can we see? We are fighting here directly on the middle line, but we have no confirmed closing candle here under the middle line. For the moment, this is bullish. We need now this candle here, this candle, as a confirmed closing candle over the middle line. This is important. So we need a price for today about over 60,300, 400. This would be a nice thing. We have some long wicks to the downside. They are bullish, and we need now a confirmed closing candle over the blue middle line. That's the first thing. On the downside, you can see the RSI. We are really low with 45 points, but not overbought, not oversold. And we are here, you can see it here, over the green line. The green line is a nice support line. We need to hold the support, and we can make also here a line from the upside to the downside. This is a triangle for the RSI, and we are here in the nice position here. Not overbought, not oversold, as I told you. Okay, guys, let's move on here. What's going on with the EMA ribbon? The EMA ribbon is holding for the moment. That's nice. We saw a wick to the last point, a wick again to the last line here, and for the moment we are fighting in the middle line. We have no confirmed closing candle under the middle line, so we need a confirmed closing candle in the middle or over the ribbon band and not under the ribbon band. This is also really important, guys, if you're watching this. So the next thing, what is telling us Ichimoku? Ichimoku here on the upside. Yes, we lost completely the red line, the blue line. Let's talk about another thing. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. What's going on here? 4-hour time frame. A lot of resistance here. You can see it here on the 4-hour time frame, and that's not good. We saw confirmed closing candles under this blue middle line. For the moment, we are over it, but we need to stay over it. And you can see we are building here lower highs. That's not good, and we are building higher lows. That's also really bearish. So EMA 200, yellow line, 61,260. For the moment, the biggest resistance. And here on the upside, you can see the ribbon band, the red one. So the RSI is not good here. If you are watching here, you can see it. We saw an oversold Bitcoin, 24 points. For the moment, we are going up a little bit, and we also can make a line from the upside to the downside. This is a resistance line. We need to fight back the resistance line. We have some space to the upside, maybe 61,200, but here is, guys, a really big fight in the 4-hour time frame, EMA 200 and the ribbon band. Now, let's check the 1 hour. So 1 hour time frame, and we are back again in the ribbon band. That's nice. We are back again in the ribbon band, fighting here a little bit over the middle line. And the big thing is, guys, we need now confirmed closing candles over the ribbon band if you're watching the 1 hour time frame. The RSI is telling us, okay, we are here on 52 points, and this is telling us also we have now a nice support line. We are building a support from the downside here to the upside, something like this, and this support line is important if you're watching on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, now guys, let's go a little bit more in detail for today. It's now really important, let's zoom up a little bit, that we can make something like this. We have now a bad resistance here on this point. It's a red resistance line. We also, it's not a red, it's orange, sorry guys, a red one. It's also a thing to watch the downside, because here from the lowest point to this point, we also have a nice support line. So we are now fighting between this resistance and the support. What else can we check, guys? We can check one thing that's also really important. Let me show you this one here. This is the parallel channel from the highest point here to the downside, to the lowest point, to this point here. And if you're watching this little downtrend line, it's a red one. Yes, a downtrend is always a red one. We can watch it. We are under the middle line. Middle line is here a resistance. Guys, okay, all in all, you can see a lot of resistances here. Ribbon band, middle line, EMA 200 on every time frame is a resistance. It's not the biggest bullish thing for the moment, and we are making lower lows. That's also really bearish, guys. Not good, really not good. What can we check here with the ribbon band? We can remove it. Okay, what can we check here? This is the indicator MACD. Let me watch the MACD. MACD on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we have a bullish MACD here with this candle we saw a crossing. Blue line is over the brown line. Here a bounce up again, here a bounce up again. We are building green candles. That's nice. Guys, as long as we are with the blue line over the brown line, everything is okay. Here we need to stay with the blue line over the brown line on the 1 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, let's also watch this. Bearish, really bearish. We saw here on this point, this was this candle here, the cross from the blue line under the brown line. Since this point, a bad dump again, and we are building red candles. For the moment, the blue line is coming up a little bit. Maybe we will see in the 4 hour time frame a next cross. This would be a bullish one. For the moment, it's bearish. And remember, guys, long wicks to the downside are always a bullish sign. Let's check one thing. This is the candlestick patterns. Let me check this one here. Favorites, where it is. Here, all candlestick pattern. No, this one here. So the candlesticks, let's zoom out a little bit. You can see here was the bearish engulfing. Bam, we went down here. The doji, bam, we went down. Bullish harami, bullish harami. These are bullish signs now, guys. Maybe we can buy the little bottom here. Maybe we can go back up to the upside. Maybe we fight again the middle line. And maybe we will fight again, depends always where we hit the line. Here, the upper line of this downtrend, 64,300. That's one of the biggest things for the moment because we are in the bearish downtrend. On the daily, we also have a really bad MACD. You can see it here. We are going down really fast. We are buying red candles, and you can see the blue line is going down more as the brown line. We crossed here on this point with this candle here. We saw the crossing, and after this, it was a really bad dump to the downside. So, guys, I think that's it. That's all you need to know for a 5-minute tuba update. Maybe I will make tomorrow a longer video update because there are a lot of other stuff we have to watch. But for the moment, this is everything you need to know in the 5-minute update. Guys, thank you very much for watching. 7 minutes. Okay, sorry, guys. And very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I would be very proud if you make a thumbs to the upside or give me a nice comment if you like this stuff. Every time, every day, I make this video here for you. Guys, thank you. Bye-bye. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye.
Systematic